Zenitco makes gun cleaning mats. K1, K2, K3, small, medium and large. I now have K2 in my hands, medium, made of rubber. They don't absorb anything, a very useful item for any weapon user. Also a great gift! Look at this packaging. You don't even need to put a bow on the side for decoration purposes. Everything already looks perfect. Let's open it. There are two types of people who open gifts. There are those who open everything very carefully without crumpling the packaging. And there are those who likes to tear it. Let's tear it up. The mat. The logo is laser printed, it won't peel off or stick to anything. Very nice, looks really badass. Beautiful. K1, K2, K3 gun cleaning mats. See exact dimensions of each on our website en.zenitco.ru.